Dip, baby, dip. Come on now, dip, baby, dip. Hey everybody, welcome back. Now in today's episode, I'm actually going to be making some cake pops. Now I've already pre-made the little cake balls to go on the cake stick. However, it's only because the last time I tried to do this, y'all, it was an epic fail. So I wanted to make sure that this time I was a lot more prepared. So you'll see in front of me, these are chocolate cake balls that I've made. Means that I use chocolate icing to actually bring all of the cake together. I feel like I'm a cheerleader. Boom, boom, boom. But that's what I did, and I wanted to just explain it to you carefully. With that being said, you also see that I have some meltables here. These are orange meltables, but they have vanilla flavor. They just have the orange consistency color to it, so I can have that fall theme to go along with just September. You know what I'm saying? With this being said, this is also a great little quick idea for maybe a Halloween or a fall themed party that you might be going to. I have the double broiler here on the stove getting it ready, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna melt this and then we're gonna dip it and get it started. Dip, baby, dip. Come on now, dip, baby, dip. Okay, so I grabbed this directly from the stove here. Ooh, it even smells actually really good. Ooh, y'all. Oh my goodness. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. So I have 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. 11 of these. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Put these excess right here to the side. I'll be using these. And the first thing that I'm actually going to do is I'm going to settle in the actual stick itself. So I'm just going to dip my stick into the beautiful flavor here. Start here at the end. Just kind of get everything set here. All right. And then I'm just going to poke that right inside of it, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and put these to the side because they're a little soft. We're going to start with the other batch. All right. So let's do this a little bit different. Let's see how this maybe goes, okay? And you just want to not do too much, I guess. And then you bring it out. And then any excess that you might have, you want to drip that off. Much better this go around, right? I'm going to put it right back on top right there, okay? Same thing with my next one. Dipping it, bringing it back up. I don't want to hold it on there for too long because I don't want it to fall off. note to myself, make sure that I do this when the balls are a little hard. So definitely right out of the refrigerator. Okay, dipping that. Don't be afraid to do what I did and then transfer any of the meltable into a glass. And although I know I said that this is not necessarily my first time, the first time was an epic fail, the goal was for me to be able to show y'all how I made cake pops, and this was supposed to be like, oh, my first time, and it went really good. But this is kind of like my second go round, and it's going good. It's not bad. There's still some things and some room for improvement, but that's one of the things about cooking and baking in the kitchen is you gonna make mistakes. You gonna have things that's gonna happen. You're gonna have just mishaps. And you just kind of sometimes got to go with it. And sometimes a mishap, y'all, actually is valuable. Just keep that in mind. You just never know. How much money can you make off that mishap? I think I heard potato chips was actually made by accident. There's a lot of stuff made by accident. Viagra was by accident. Y'all pray for me. I'm gonna grab a little bit of sanding sugar and sprinkle some of this right on the top. Just want a little bit of sparkle to go with it. Some of them have dried up just a little bit, so it may not be as much, but yeah, I do want it right on top of it if I can. Oops. I'll keep that one for myself only. Okay. So I have these candy eyeballs that I got from the craft store, and I'm gonna put these right on top. Okay, so you see that I've lifted it up right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take a little bit of, I'm just gonna use my spatula here, do that, take one of the large candy eyeballs, dip it right there on top of it, and then sit it here. Okay, then I'm gonna lean that over just like that so it can rest. Same thing with my next one. And you can do it either way. I actually probably could do it like this, and that's gonna be a little bit easier. Then take one of the big candy eyeballs and put this right on top. Y'all, it is so easy. It really is very inexpensive also for you to just do it right at home. And then you get to brag a little bit and be like, yep, you know, I made it. It came from my heart. And it does, because you've made this at home. It's kind of therapeutic, right? y'all, we are all complete with these beautiful eyeball cake pops. So if you like them, please be sure that you subscribe to this video. These are very easy for you to make at home. I am not a professional at this. I really just literally learned this. Although this is my second go round at it, this is technically only my first time being able to successfully do them from the beginning until the end. So thank y'all for staying tuned with me, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm Patricia Hartley, and this is my channel, Road to Trish.